It's prom season! Here are a few fun craft ideas to make your prom night sparkle. If you're new to Crafty Hackers, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now check out these awesome hacks for prom. Restyle your flats. Want to fill your old shoes with new life? Try this. You'll need some ribbon and string. First, cut a few small sections of ribbon and glue the ends of each section together. Next, mark your flat at the top, middle, and sides with chalk. Hot glue your ribbon loops into the inside of your shoe where you made those chalk marks. Next, fish the black string through the new loops. You just made some strappy flats. Take this design a step further by including a few decorative touches. Cut a couple small squares of adhesive velcro. Attach one side of the velcro to your shoe and the other to whichever decorative element you're in the mood for. The velcro makes them interchangeable, so you can change your look at a moment's notice. From plain to fancy, just like that. But don't worry, you can still go back to basic black easily. Cat ears. Turn your boring headband into a fashion statement by making cat ears. Here's how. You'll need some craft wire, jewels, a plain headband, a pencil, and some modeling clay. Measure your cat ear to your headband. Use wire cutters to cut the amount you'll need. Then use that piece to measure and cut one more piece the same length. Bend the ends around your headband to make cat ears. Cut any extra wire away. Next, we're going to hold the ears in place with some hot glue. Next, take a small piece of modeling clay and attach it to the tip of your pencil. You'll be able to pick up each jewel with ease using the clay on the end of your pencil. Next, use your hot glue to put your jewels in place along the ears of your headband. When that glue dries, you'll have a custom cat ear headband that looks just like the one from that Taylor Swift video. So cute! Photo booth props. Spruce up your photo booth with these fun props. Just print some designs to stencil out and print them on decorative glitter craft paper. Flip over the glitter paper and trace the design on the back. Decorate with a few jeweled stickers and glue a stick to the back. Do the same with this wine glass, but use a darker color. Add glitter paper for the wine. Don't forget the bubbles! Glue the stick on the back for a handle. Now you've got a champagne glass prop too. Make some dazzling eyeglass props with glitter paper and shiny stickers. Make a mouth with pink glitter paper and cut out white squares for teeth. Glue them onto the mouth. Now spend the night taking silly pictures with your friends. Hair chain. Use an old jewelry chain and some bobby pins to add a dramatic element to your hairstyle. Attach the bobby pins to the ends of the chain. Clip the bobby pins to your hair and let the chain drape behind your head. Pretty cool, right? Phone wristband. For this, all you need is a decorative ribbon. Just thread it through your phone case at the bottom like this. Tie a knot in the end. Clip off the extra ribbon and wrap the ribbon around your wrist. Now you can take those selfies without worrying about dropping your phone. Upgrade your shoes. Got a pair of black heels? Here's a trick to add a bit of pizzazz to them. Measure the length of a chain to fit around your ankle, and clasp the ends to the chain. Now take a piece of chain and make sure it fits around your shoe like this. Attach this piece to the chain that will go around your ankle. Slide the chain over your shoe and fasten the clasp around your ankle. Now that's fancy. And those are our prom hacks and ideas. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. See you next time.